The young boy walked beside the wise Zen master with heavy steps. His eyes stayed on the ground, and his small hands were tightly closed, as if holding something painful inside. The master noticed the boy's quietness, but said nothing. Silence often reveals more than words. They reached a narrow path between tall bamboo trees. Soft sunlight slipped through the leaves, drawing golden lines on the earth. The boy finally spoke, his voice low and trembling. "Master, why does my heart feel tight? I smile outside, but inside something hurts." The master looked at him gently. "What is inside you, my boy?" The boy hesitated. "I don't know. It feels like a stone. Heavy, cold. I carry it everywhere." The master nodded slowly and continued walking, guiding the boy to a small lake hidden between rocks. The water was still, holding the sky on its surface like a mirror. "Sit," the master said. The boy sat by the lake, and the master sat beside him. "Look at the water," the master whispered. The boy stared at the calm surface. For a while, nothing happened. A bird flew past, and its reflection glided across the lake. Then the master picked up a small stone and placed it in the boy's hand. "Hold this stone tightly." The boy closed his fist around it. The stone felt rough and hard. "How does it feel?" asked the master. "It hurts a little," the boy said. "Then hold it tighter." The boy squeezed harder. The edges pressed into his hand. His fingers turned red. "Does it hurt more now?" the master asked. "Yes, a lot," the boy replied. The master spoke softly. "Now let it go." The boy opened his hand. The stone fell into the sand. As soon as it left his palm, the boy felt a strange sense of relief. The master smiled. "Your heart works the same way." The boy looked at his empty hand, then at the stone lying in the sand. "But master, why do hearts hold on to things that hurt?" The master touched the boy's shoulder. "Because hearts are afraid. Afraid to feel empty. Afraid to let go. Afraid that if they release the hurt, nothing will remain." The boy's voice softened. "Is emptiness bad?" "No," the master whispered. "Emptiness is space. Space for peace. Space for joy. Space for love. When your heart is full of pain, there is no room for anything else." The boy looked at the lake again. A soft breeze touched the surface, and the reflection of the sky rippled gently. "Master, I think I understand," the boy said slowly. "But how do I set my heart free?" The master stood and motioned for the boy to join him. They walked to the water's edge. The master picked up another stone and placed it in the boy's hands again. "Throw this stone into the lake." The boy lifted the stone and threw it with all his strength. The stone hit the water and disappeared. Ripples spread out in circles until the lake became calm again. The master said, "This is how you free your heart. You let the pain fall away. You release it into the world. You do not keep it inside you." "But what if the pain comes back?" the boy asked. The master smiled warmly. "Then you let it go again, and again, and again, until your heart learns that it is safe to be free." The boy felt the wind touch his face. He breathed slowly. For the first time in a long while, he felt light. They started walking back through the bamboo path. The master noticed the boy's steps were no longer heavy. His hands were open, relaxed, swinging gently at his sides. The boy whispered, "Master, my heart feels different now." The master nodded. "Yes, today you did not set the world free. You set your heart free." And as they walked, the sun shone brighter, and the boy felt the quiet joy of a heart beginning to heal. This is God of Motive. Thanks for watching and stay focused.